folks, be ready. Here we go for our first song. Everybody listen. Come on, you.
Dancing Queen.
Just sing the song, man. Come on. Come on. Place to go. Lagi na kami nga. Alright, that's it. Dancing Queen is correct. Ma'am, get your prize, ma'am. Dahil ka meron kang prize, ma'am. Pili ka na lang, ma'am. Get your prize. For your kids. Ayan. Alright. Okay, sige, ma'am. Pili ka. Dalawa. Yes, ma'am. Dalawa. Kuha ka ng dalawang prizes. Okay. Yeah. Napakadali lang yan. Yes, sir. You know the song, sir? Yes. Mali lang. Mali. Come on. Yes, ma'am. You know the song? Oh, yes. Sige. Yes, ma'am. Title of the song is?
Build Me Up Buttercup.
Is correct. Just sing the song, ma'am. Ready? Here we go. Ano ko? Wala, oh. Go, ma'am. Kunti lang. Alright. Kunti ko, ma'am. Alright, that's it. Give me a buttercup. Yes. Raise your hand. If you know the song, sing po. Go. Yes, sir. Title of the song is correct. Just sing the song. Come on, sir. Chorus, go, sir. That's it, sir. Alright, that's it. It's correct. Alright, ma'am, that's it. Halik is correct. You got 50 pesos, ma'am. Alright. Alright. Oh, kita mo yun, ha? Alright, okay. So, ganun lang. Ma'am, parang mong binuhay yung namatay na. Yes! Sino mo? Ayan! Ma'am, tayo na lang na song. Ma'am! Wala pa. Malapit na.
Nagsimula sa patikin.
Okay.
Nagsimula ng lumalim, pero ngayon ang tatanggalin. Kalulumin na ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa. Ito hindi inumin pang bata, magsapis ka na.
Alright, that's it. The clock is correct. Ayan. Ma'am, parang masyado mo sineryoso yung laban doon, ma'am. Ginalingan mo masyado. Alright. Yes! Betty Mo, you know the song? What's the title of the song?
I don't know.
You sing the song. Hey, ready? Just sing the song. Just sing the song. Wait. Yes. ilaw. Dalawang ilaw. Ayan, thank you, sir. Okay, let's start. Here we go.
Minsan tuwa ang may pinto ibang pulo ang liwan. Pagkahiyas na inilatan sa malasuklang dagat. At ang bayan ng pipiling nasa tulog ng panghaling. Kaya isang libong kulay na maaaring kong magawa. Piling mo ang iyong pila, lumapit at napela. Piling mo yung kapit mo, pamalit ka. Piling mo ang pipila. Hanggang sa bawat awit, sa masisilang inda, mga puso yung ilipan. Piling mo ang iyong pilas, lumapit at napela. Piling mo yung kapit mo, pamalit ka. Piling mo ang pipila. Ang ngiti ng may tagal, taglay ng bawat kilala. May lambing na tumutuya sa buong pakiramdam.
Okay? For the next magic, Grayson, you need to do is just blow the mic like this. Make it louder. You blow like this. Ready? Just blow the mic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Are you ready, Grayson? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You blow the mic. Dito, ha? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Make it louder, Grayson, ha? Okay, ready? Okay, ready. Okay, just blow the mic. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Very good. And this time, Grayson, blow the mic 2 times. Ready? Blow. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. 10 times. Oh, that's it. Alright, come on here. This time, Grayson, every magician, so we have a magic wand like this. So you need to do is just wave like this. Just 1, 2, 3, and then you up. Happy birthday to me. Okay, ready? Just wave. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me. So this time, I give you another magic wand. Okay, so this time, this one is for you. Alright? Here we go, Grayson. Ready? Just wave the magic. Just wave the magic wand like that. Just 1, 2, 3, and then you up. Happy birthday to me. Don't broke my wand, okay? Just wave. Okay, hold the magic wand. Ready? Okay, ready? Just wave like this. Alright, ready, Grayson? Don't broke my wand. Just wave like this. Just 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me. Yes, why are you laughing, guys? Huh? What happened? Ay! What happened, Grayson? You broke my wand. But don't worry, I get another one, okay? So, again, just wave like this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me, okay? So again, already, here we go. This one's for you. Okay. This is another brand new magic wand. Okay, very strong pa to. Okay, ready? Hold magic wand, 2 hands. Okay, 2 hands, hold it. Okay, ready? Just wave the magic wand. Ready? Okay, ready? Just wave like this. Just 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, okay? Ay! What happened? You broke again. But don't worry, this time, I get my bigger magic wand. Ito, very strong na to. Alright, ready? Grayson, just wave like this. Just 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Okay, hold the magic wand. Okay, let's start. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's start the magic. Just 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Bye! Okay. Grayson, just wait, don't pop it. Okay, ready? Let's continue again. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Okay, hold it. Alright, let's start. Okay, here we go. What happened? Why? Punta nga ito. Alright, okay. This time, come on, birthday boy, hold this one. Hold this one. And this time, you put inside. You put inside. And then you blow. One more, you blow. That's it. Let's play the music. Next, another volunteer for the kids. Alright, savings ng 50 pesos. Okay, come on, Dee. Alright, okay. Okay, come here. Alright, magkasugi doon ng 50, ma'am. Alright, very good. Okay, ate, you blow. 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 Kuya, you blow. Bakit ganun? Alright. Okay, ready. Next. Ito, si Kuya. Hindi ka dali, Kuya. Dali. Para sa ito. Dali. Come on. Dali na. Sino? Any volunteer? What about this little girl? Okay, come on. Alright, what's your name again? You are? Arya. Okay, Arya. Okay, hold this one. Okay, alright. Okay. Blow. Okay, go. One more. Okay. And then, you blow. One more. Make it harder. Alright, ready. Let's continue. Ayaw mo to? Gusto mo yung mas malaki? Alright, sige. Hawak mo to, hawak. Hold this one. Alright, now you put inside. Okay, ready? And the magic happened. Watch. Hey, baby. Hey, thank you. Alright. Alright, this time for my next and final magic. Kids, who knows Elsa? Here we go, watch this!
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen.
Hey, let's sing. Yes, play the music. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Everybody. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One big clap together with your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Sa aming bahay, ang aming bahay. Merry Christmas. Alright, this is already a job. Happy birthday, Grayson.
Happy birthday, Grayson!
Yung mas malakas.
Happy birthday, Grayson!
Yung pinakamalakas.
Happy birthday, Grayson!
Ay, yung pinakamahina. Alright, para natin si Grayson. At isa, pwede na po tayo mag-sit down. Alright, ready, Grayson? Alright, just close your eyes. Close your eyes, and then sleep. And then make a wish, and then blow your candle. Okay, ready? Make a wish. 1, 2, 3, and blow your candle. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow your candle. Alright. Ano, sir? Nakunan? Si Sarian. Isa pa, para sigurado. Sir, one more. One more, sir. Para sigurado nakunan. Okay, ready? Grayson, blow again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow your candle. Alright! This time, this time, mapakita tayo ngayon dyan. Tanongin muna natin yung mga lolo and lola. Any birthday wish, ma'am, for Grayson? Manahin na natin si Lola. Go, ma'am. Birthday wish for Grayson. Walang iyakan po. Ay, charot na. Go, ma'am.
Sana palagi mo akong yayangapin at hahalikan.
Siyempre, di naman complete yan kung wala yung message ng Lolo. Go, sir. Si Lolo, parang yung mga kapitan sa barangay yan dati nga, no? Okay, go, sir. Any birthday wish po?
Talino. Ha? Okay. Tagalog siya.
Happy birthday, Grayson. Love you.
Siyempre, hindi naman makukumpleto kung di natin maririnig yung mga birthday wish ng parents. So, unahin na natin si Mami. Mami, any birthday wish for Grayson? Go, ma'am. Yan. Si Daddy, go Daddy.
Happy birthday, Grayson. Sana lumaki kang lagi masaya, mabait. Ngayon pa lang, you make us proud and you were the answered prayer na ibigay ni Lord sa aming lahat. Yeah.
Yan. O sir, ito na lang sir, final na lang sir. Si Grace po ba yung isang anak lang po? Alright, o sir, ito na yung pagkakataon mo sir. Any message naman para naman sa mami ng iyong anak? Go sir, message naman para kay mami. Go sir.
I love you. Thank you for answered prayer. Kanina matagal ko na pinagdadasal na magkaroon ng mga better na. Siya yung God's grace na ang pangalan niya Grace. Ang tagalinantay. And thank you for always taking care of our son Grace. Parati siya yung hands-on na mommy na parating pag may sakit siya tapos siya yung nagbe-prepare sa kanya sa umaga bago pumasok sa school, naghahanda ng food, namamalan siya ng damit, papaligo. So,
Busy
thank you.
mami. Ayan. O siyempre mami, hindi makukumpleto yan kung wala namin message mo para kay daddy. Go ma'am.
Kuya, where's your balloon?
Alright, oh ma'am. May Oh yes, ma'am, meron pa tayong games. So, mag-ano pa tayo dito? Mag-ballroom dancing, ma'am. Ayan. Picture muna po, picture.
We love you so much. We're always here for you, your lola and your lola, most especially your parents. So, happy birthday.
Parang yung nervous siya, sir. Alright. Sige pala baka naman natin sila mami, ito sila daddy. Alright. Okay lang mama, mag-picture muna tayo. Madali lang ako, Jonas. Sige, kuya, sama ka din, bakit ka tulog sila? Bakit mo lagi, Jonas? Alright. Asa pa ibang please? Kuya, ako mo, dali! Dali, para may katulog sila. Para lahat niya magkaroon ng prizes. Okay. Okay, sabi nyo dito, dali. Ayun ako, nakuha na si Joey Boy. Madali ka dito. Ayan. Don't worry, madali na to. For our next game, hindi tinatawag namin na hiding under the blanket. So this time, meron tayong 3 different color of blankets. So meron tayong red, yellow, and blue. So this time, ang gagawin natin is i-hands ito. And then ang gagawin nyo is kukuha kayo ng tela. And then kailangan nyo mag-hide like this. Alright, so pwede nyo i-share ito ha.